God, I love your Santa hat.
Hey, I should have had the options trader hat, but it is the theme. I've been eating popcorn, listening to Dave, because that was awesome. This is better than watching Netflix. Seriously, Dave, great stuff, buddy. I have to follow you up. This is the worst. No, thanks for letting me come on, John. I just wish everybody could get together. It's been a long time. Yeah, it's been a long time. I'm all ears.
Yeah, we got to have an event. I was going to have one this year, but I have a grandson coming in January. So I'm like, well, I don't want to get mixed up. I don't know what was going to happen. So probably next year.
Congrats. I remember Dave brought his kids. So you can do this.
Absolutely.
No, that's great. Yeah. Congrats to you and Sherry for being grandparents. Nice.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
So tell us a little bit about yourself, my friend.
Well, hey, it's minus 27 Fahrenheit. I'm out here next to Banff in the Rockies. It's different than where was Dan? And Dave has his nice shirt on. Where are these guys?
Yeah, they're someplace warmer than we are.
Exactly. Yeah, New Hampshire's got to be pretty cold.
Yeah, it's not the warmest.
Right. I mean, it's in Dallas. That's where I'm from. I ended up in Canada, but yeah, my mom sent a picture of some snow. It was like two little grains. But so Stephen doesn't have any excuse. He should be on the line here. Yeah, John, I'm trying to think. I've known you. It was fall of 2012 when I got into the John Locke world. I was in the TD seminar, and guy next to me said, "Check out John Locke," and I have no idea who that person was.
Who's that guy?
I know. I'd love to know. But that's how you like a sponge trying to figure out this new language out. But I got dialed in, and it's been amazing. I mean, I think I've known you longer than the underwear I have in my drawer. I mean, that's a pretty long time. So you got that going.
A lot of us keep underwear for a very long time.
Exactly.
So I guess that's a compliment. I don't know.
And for the newbies in the community, we share a lot here. I was thinking about my little 15 minutes of fame here is, I think the best is like, this is the land of misfits, kind of the theme of the holiday season, because if you're listening to this and you're part of the community, consider yourself lucky. John and you and Sherry's created such a great thing, and there's so much information out there. And so we are lucky to be dialed in with this community. And I call it the misfits because this is probably the biggest hurdle is taking your ideas and trying to expand it, i.e. Trade other people's money and take the John Locke, these butterfly tool set, these campaign type trades, and try to trade it. And they're like, what is this? I look at their TD statement. And if you've ever done a 10 lot, just a butterfly, and you start rearranging, moving it around, the statement's going to say, down 10,000, 100,000. Right. If you have 100 lot, it could be $1 million. I had $1 million, and it was like down $1 million. Turn 2 pages over, you're up $1 million, right?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, I'm like, but they're not going to look at that. They're going to.
I had $42 million go through my account. But
exactly, it's like, wait a second. The max risk is anyway. So I mean, I'm jumping around, but 2022, that was the biggest headache for me, is dealing with that. So I was doing 100 to 200 lots before 22. Now I'm doing 10 lots, 20 lots, because I'm trying to educate how the land of misfits work. And it's tough. It's tough. And if anybody has any good ideas, I am all ears, because it's been an upward curve. And what it's come down to is
you talk about explaining the process to people who are not in the know, right?
Exactly. Yeah. I mean, buy and hold that's easy to understand, but that has been tough. That's been tough for me, dealing with that, I guess, internal communication because every year I'm like, my main concern is maximizing my knowledge in this toolbox that we all have, given the market conditions. Am I being honest? Yeah. And if I haven't been, what can I improve on? Am I following my plan? Do I go back and back trade or look at my actual trades? The routine. But this year, throw that out the window. It was all about trying to get some folks dialed in.
What's the challenge with managing other people's money, right? I can sympathize with you.
No, no, it's true. And like Dave said, Dave was a buy and hold person, and he still is, right? And I think it goes back to your points you always emphasize: be diversified. Which Jeff is, private equity or mergers and acquisitions. He's diversified, but I still do buy and hold, right?
Sure.
Yeah. But the sexy part is the John Locke world. So what I'm saying, John, is you're sexy, buddy. Grandpa Locke. No.
I'm sexy and I'm older than your underwear.
You're older than my underwear. Sheila, oh my gosh. Sorry, guys. I walked my dog this morning. It was really cold. I lost my brain cells. Yeah. But for those who don't know me, I kind of like Dave, and it was spoke before. I do like M3 type trades on the rut, and then I'll do version 22, version 17 on SPX. So what I found is simplicity is, and I know you don't like to use this, but I use it as just kind of a barometer, is the 20-day simple moving average. Are we above it? Throw on the M3 or the version 17. If we're below it, throw on the opposites, the version 22 or the M3. But I don't really go by that rule. But that's
it's just like Warren Buffett. He'll give you the exact formula for making money, and then you watch what he does, and he doesn't do it.
Exactly, right? Because
it's situationally specific, right?
It is.
Yeah,
it is. And but it's helped me kind of, okay, we're on a day, we're falling. Okay, look at the VIX. There's all sorts of things we could do, but I flip back and forth between those. And I will say Dave's very humble. He's a pilot, and he does this on his phone. So if we're complaining about moving things around, and we're on our laptop,
we have that with a lot of new people. I can't trade because I can't be in front of the market all day. It's like, well, we have pilots. They can't be in front of the market all day, and they're trading with big money.
Exactly. No, it's impressive.
Yeah.
It's impressive.
It is. Yeah.
So that's kind of my go-to, keeping it simple between the two of those. But 2022, I just kept them small. Unfortunately, because it was a good year.